Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Corona poster in Canva. So if you guys probably want to make a poster about Corona and want to make it easy, you can just use the template from Canva. And then what you need to do is open the Canva, and then here at this search column, just type in on Corona poster, and then just click on enter and wait for the templates to be show up. Okay, so here is some option or some templates that you can use about Corona, and you can just choose one of them that you think fits your needs the most. For example, I want to make how to do the or how to wash your hand properly in poster. So I'm going to use this one right here. Okay, so here is the poster, and if you want to use this poster, you can make some adjustment or you can just use it as it is, but maybe you can just delete this part, this reallyGreatSite.com, which is the Canva templates used. You can just delete them, and then okay, just wait until it fully loaded. Okay, so here is the poster, and here is some coronavirus, I think. And if you're done with the design, you can just print the poster right away, or you can just click on share and download it first and then print it later. And if you want to search another template of corona poster, you can just go back to this and then click again on the template that you want to use. For example, this one right here. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.